And a decorated St. Petersburg police officer is now facing child porn charges. And tonight, 8 on Your Side Investigates is looking at the potential impact of Officer Matthew Enhofer's arrest when it comes to other cases. Investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi joins us live from police headquarters. And Mahsa, in total, the officer was with the department for 8 years, which means he touched a lot of cases.
Yeah, a lot of cases during those 8 years, Stacey. Just consider this. In the past 12 months alone, this officer played a key investigative role in more than 160 cases while here at the department. So tonight, the question is, what happens to those cases and all those criminals? Matthew Enhofer was once honored for saving another officer. Tonight, a stunning fall from grace. The 33-year-old accused of distributing child pornography. With an ankle monitor on, he walked out of federal court. Right now, 8 on Your Side investigates, digging into his past. While he was only a patrol officer, we've learned Enhofer was involved with cases ranging from burglary to sexual battery. First question, how often did he come into contact with kids?
He's never been a school resource officer. He's never worked in crimes against family.
Tonight, St. Pete PD tells us they've gone through all of his cases and they have not found anything concerning or inappropriate. Next, what happens with the cases he was currently working?
I don't think that the state is going to necessarily want to bring in someone who's got a pending federal indictment for something this serious to testify in a criminal case.
But longtime criminal defense attorney Roger Futerman says the state could still put this officer on the stand if he was an absolutely essential witness. So what about his old cases dating back to 2010? What type of prior cases that he had worked on could potentially be impacted with this child pornography possession and distribution?
I think it would be very difficult for a defense attorney to reopen his prior cases.
However distasteful and alarming this arrest may be, Futerman doesn't think the officer's prior cases will be impacted. So, for example, he wasn't arrested for fraud or bribery, so very difficult to show that the cases were compromised. Tonight, the state attorney's office is not answering any of our questions, and we have not heard back from this officer's defense attorneys either, but of course, he is presumed innocent. Reporting live in St. Pete, Mahsa Saeidi, 8 on Your Side. Stacey, let's take it back to you.
All right. Thank you, Mahsa.